Hello, kids. Welcome to an exciting adventure in the animal kingdom. Today, we are going to learn all about some amazing zoo animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Monkey. Monkeys are known for their playful and mischievous nature. They swing from trees, eat delicious fruits, and often groom each other. They come in many different colors and sizes. Camels. Camels are known for their humps, which store water to help them survive in arid environments. They have long legs and can travel long distances across the sandy dunes. Tiger. Tigers are the largest big cats and are known for their beautiful orange fur with black stripes. They're incredible hunters. Bear. Bears come in different types, like grizzly bears and polar bears. They're excellent swimmers and climbers, and some of them hibernate during the winter. Bears may look big and scary, but they can be quite cute. Giraffe. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest animals on earth? They have incredibly long necks that help them reach high branches to eat leaves. Pandas. Pandas are famous for their black and white fur. They love to munch on bamboo, and they're excellent climbers too. They're like nature's cuddly teddy bears. Tiger. Tigers are powerful and stealthy predators. Their striking orange coats with black stripes help them blend into the tall grass. They're at the top of the food chain in their habitats. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. They have long trunks that they use for many things, like grabbing food and even giving each other hugs. They're incredibly smart and caring creatures. Lion. We have the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions are known for their magnificent manes and powerful roars. They live in groups called prides and work together to hunt. What incredible teamwork!